In this video, we will show you how to replace your oil pressure switch on this Honda Civic. This will be located in your engine compartment, mounted to the front of your engine. Let's get into it. Okay friends, let's get started on replacing our oil pressure sensor. That will be located along the front of your engine, pretty close to your exhaust manifold. Be extremely careful in case that is hot. We'll continue on by removing the rubber boot from this area. Sometimes you can grab it by hand and just gently tug it away. Other times you might have to use a small screwdriver to remove it. Now with that slid out of place, we can continue on to that electrical connector. On this, we're going to squeeze the little locking tab and pull it off of there. That locking tab is located directly on the bottom of this. Just grab right onto that, give it a little tug, pull it off of there. Give it a quick check for corrosion, and we can set that aside. Now with that disconnected, we can start removing this. To remove it, we'll be using a 24mm socket, an extension, and of course a ratchet. Now we can get that out of there. There it is, friends. All right, let's get ready to install our oil pressure switch. When you do so, you want to make sure you have some sort of thread sealant on those threads. Once you're sure of that, we'll continue on by starting this into the engine by hand, so we're sure we are not cross-threading it. Now we can snug this up and then we'll torque it to 13 foot-pounds. There we are. Now we can connect in our electrical connector and then put on our rubber protective boot. There's that. Give it a wiggle to make sure it is completely secure. Slide this right on here. Okay friends, we fully installed our oil pressure switch. At this point, you want to go ahead and start up the vehicle, make sure you don't have any lights on the dash, turn it back off, and double check that oil level. Aside from that, thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.